Right, so to create a video link, I need you to go to the AIS website, because you're going to create the video link using your OneDrive account that the school provides you with your email address. So once you've opened the school website, here you have parents, staff, students, alumni, pay online as the options here at the top. Now you will be using students. However, I'm not a student, so I'm going to show the same thing using the staff click option, but you're going to click students. So I'm going to click there. You will be clicking on students. Then next click on Office 365. Here, this icon, Office 365. So here we've got all the options available. Now what you need to do is here it says OneDrive. I need you to click on OneDrive. Now here is all my folders. So I'm going to open, continue. I'm going to go into design. Go. So this is my folder. So you will go, like I said, you're going to the AIS website. Then you're going to click on student. When you click on student, you're going to open to this. So on the here, you're going to click student. You're going to click on Office 365. It will then open this. Here you will click OneDrive. It will then open your OneDrive account. Now I'm going to minimize it. Let me minimize that. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I just minimize the screen so I can show you. So what I'm going to do is, once you have created your video on your device, okay, here is a video that I created, okay, but it's too large for me to post into any submission, or I was asked to only post a link. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it across, okay, and I'm just going to drop it in this folder on OneDrive. Make this bigger, and it shows you here uploading one item to design. We're waiting. Depending on how large the file is, it will take some time, so you need to wait for it to complete. So it says it's uploading one item to design, so we need to wait for that message to change. Now we can see it's done. Right then, now it's done. Now let's have a look and see where is that file. And now we can find, here is the video file that I uploaded. So now we've uploaded the file to our OneDrive account. The question is, how do we create the link that we want to share and paste into our document? Next, what we're going to do, take the cursor and move it onto your folder, and you can see three little dots appear here. Can you see? So we're going to click on that, and you'll see it opens a drop-down menu. Can you see here? So we're going to go from the top down. It says copy link, and when you put on it, it says get a link that others can use to access the selected item. So I'm going to click on copy link. Now you can see it's turning and turning. It's busy creating that link. Then the link is copied, and I click copy. It's nice highlighted in blue. So then what I do is I go into Teams, and this is an example I'm using in a dummy account I created in the grade 6's video game controller, just as an example to show everybody. So I'm going to come with my link that I've copied in OneDrive, and I'm going to use Control V if I use a normal PC, or Command V if it's a MacBook, an Apple product. So Control V or Command V, then this link, all these letters appear. You can see here the cursor is at the end. I'm going to press enter, and it turns blue. Can you see? Okay, that's great. And now I know everything has been saved, so I'm going to click close, and the little wheel is turning. I know it's been saved. However, I'm going to go out. All right. Now I'm going to go back in. There's the video assignment. Okay. Open up the assignments. Going to click video assignment. Let's click on the document again. It's going to open it up. We're doing this to ensure that the link works, because many times I found students said to me, "Wallah, Mr. Nick, I did it. I posted the video," and I can say, "Well, it's not there. It's not working." Okay, just giving it a second. Here we go. Like I said, this is the grade 6's document that I'm using. So there's our link. So now what I do is, if I scroll over it, can you see it gives me the link? So I know there's something there. The computer and the internet is recognizing it. And you can see it says there's CTRL, that's control, plus click to follow the link. If you're using a Mac product, so an Apple product, a MacBook, it will say command plus click. So we're going to do command or control click, depending on what you've got. See a little hand appears. I click on it, and then I can see there's a flashing here in Google. I'm opening it. Just give it a time, give it a moment. And now this is where it's opening the link. So there's a black screen. So I'm going to click play quickly. And this is a video I did for Design MYP a while ago. So I can see my video works, all right? Because it's playing well, and I'm going to stop it. There you go. There is my beautiful face. So I'm going to stop it right there, so we know it is successful, that this link works. I trust that this tutorial has helped you and that you'll remember how to do it. This is how we use our OneDrive, the SharePoint that the school provides you access to. I trust this helped you. If you've got if you need further explanation, please do drop me a message or your teacher.